Today in English, we will learn the use of a and an. A and an are called articles. Children, we know that in English alphabet, we have 26 letters in all, right? Out of these 26 letters, we also know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the rest of them are known as consonants. Now children, let's learn where to use the articles a and an. Children, do you have a best friend? Yes, you do have a best friend, right? Yes, like you have a best friend, vowels and consonants also have a best friend. Do you know children, who is vowels best friend? An is vowels best friend. Therefore, an is used before the first letter word of any vowel sound. Alright? For example, apple. Tell me children, what is the first letter in apple? A is the first letter and A is a vowel sound. So, an will come before the word apple. An apple. Repeat again. An apple. Next, arrow. What is the first letter in arrow? A. A is the first letter and A is a vowel sound. So we can say an arrow. An arrow. Elephant. Children, what is the first letter in elephant? E is the first letter. E is a vowel sound. So we can say an elephant. An elephant. Ice cream. What is the first letter in ice cream? I. I is the first letter and it is a vowel sound. So we can say an ice cream. An ice cream. Now children, can you guess who is consonant's best friend? That's right. A is consonant's best friend. Therefore, A is used before first letter word of any consonant sound. Alright? For example, book. Tell me children, what is the first letter in book? B is the first letter and B is a consonant sound. So A will come before the word book. A book. A book. Next, flower. What is the first letter in flower? F is the first letter and F is a consonant sound. So A will come before the word flower. A flower. A flower. Swing. Tell me children, what is the first letter in swing? S is the first letter. S is a consonant sound. So A will come before the word swing. A swing. A swing. That's right. Children, always remember that an is the best friend of vowels. A is the best friend of consonants. Also remember that A and an are used before any person, place, animal or thing which are single in number. जब भी हम किसी एक इंसान या एक जगह या एक जानवर या एक वस्तु के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हम A या an इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Alright? I believe now everyone is clear with A and an, right? Thank you and have a nice day.